Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I achieved these beautiful knotless braids using elastic band. I use the elastic band because my hair is very short, so short hair girls, you can still get your knotless braids without any hassle. Very easy. The hardest part in this was the part, but before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. So guys, I will be using the Expression, the pre-stretch 50-inch, that is, to do these knotless braids. And there goes my elastic band along with my edge control and my crochet needle. So I am separating the hair. So whenever you're putting the part that is going to be sectioned in two, that part is bigger, but the part that is going to become one is slimmer because you're going to bring it over. So as I go through the method, you guys will understand what I'm saying. So you're going to do it in a T method. So you're going to put the bigger piece going across, so you pull it through and you do that going across, and then you're going to use your crochet needle and you're going to run it go down basically. So it's supposed to make a T. So the next piece of hair, as you can see, that is much thinner than the first one, that's going to go down. So that one will be coming down, and then you will pull that in, and then your hair, so you're going to use the jam or the edge control or whatever you have to, you're going to separate it in half, and you're going to put part over on the right and part over on the left, and you're going to ensure that it is well secure over on each side. Okay, you don't want your hair to be sticking out whenever you start braiding. So I'm ensuring that it is well secure, and I'm going to be putting the same jam over on the other side as well to secure the other side of the hair. So I'm securing my hair, and my hair is very short, guys, so persons with longer hair is the same method. So now I'm taking that piece and that is becoming one. So instead of two, it's becoming one. So you bring that over and then you start braiding. So now we're starting again. So as you can see, I'm going to be placing the more bulkier part of the hair, and I'm making a T. So this one is going across, and then the thinner part of the hair is going to be going down. So I'm going to crochet it in going down. So you always make a T. And then you use your crochet needle and you put it down, and then you insert your hair and you pull it. So you should be making a T. Guys, this is my first time using a crochet needle, so I'm a newbie to this crochet thing. And then you're going to separate your hair into your hair, and then you're going to ensure that you secure it by placing your jam, your let's jam, your edge control, and then after that, that two hair will become one. So the hair that went down is going to become one with the other, and then you start braiding. I hope you guys got the gist of what I'm saying. It's pretty easy. So for all the beginners, the persons who don't know how to braid, this is an easy way to start out. I do this method because it's easier for me and because my hair is very short, and whenever you're doing knotless, I don't like to see when the hair starts from the root and it's too thin and then you can see where the braid starts. But this method is pretty easy, like anyone can do it. It's really easy. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video because I'm speeding it up now, but I hope you guys got the gist. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and if you have any suggestions, please leave it down in the comment section.
It's not easy. I guess deep down
thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. You guys will try this method. If you guys have already tried this method, let me know how it was for you. For me, it was the parting, but other than that, it was quite easy and it was beginner friendly. So until my next video guys, bye bye.